She defeated protagonist, but I'm curious if this were to happen, would have been the 10th loss. Or, well, I guess 11th now. But anyways, it is Ryuga versus Quinn. Epic Dream Battle. Lightning L-Drago 160A facing off against Knife Shinobi 480 and High Needle. She actually had this in the show before Shinobi Shadow when she was younger. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with the attack mode. Let's say the power mode. Okay, I guess. What? Alright, I guess. 3-0 because it hit it. And damage hits. Alright, L-Drago. Is it going to end this? Ooh, the hits. Getting thrown off balance itself, though. The uppercuts. Throwing it off balance and does take it. Alright, well now, got the barrage mode. Bop, I'm pretty sure. And yo, the hits. Ooh, look at that startup. L-Drago not playing with those hits, man. Throwing it way off balance. Even being off balance itself, but all the attack that it has, man, it's insane. Alright, 1-0. And that KO. A hell of a KO with that. Alright, 3-0. Bop. And bop. Dragon Emperor, sorry, Black Strike! These are hits. Doesn't go out, but it does go down with the stamina. Alright, yep, Ryuga getting the win against Quinn.